ke lezi mfethu ke niggas hamba kanjani mfethu awona makhona nina bafethu lento bilegit lento mfethu
Patrola pesi uma condenza la Tugana patrola pesi that's how Cannibal is here
mfethu
Cannibal is everywhere
ithini lento mfethu isikomplazi mesikanjena kwenzakalani
pesi yabo somakhelwana simahala seduze
Sure.
nasekhaya sawela yabo
sure
siyawona
usipithiwe kodwa
tomorrow we on gang
Manje-
at 7:00
bese kufika ngo7 abafethu ukuze benze le show ukuthi bayasipitha bacabanga ukufika ngesikhathi seni Sure.
7 minutes before 7 yeah 7 minutes before 7
ngigcwele bafethu
gonna be here speaking
But kubalekile ethi ukuthi bethi dropping an album
Sure,
sooner
sure.
than like 2 months or 1 month or 1 week.
give us the details Ken.
But it's a tape that is, I think, to cement that it's successfully
Sure.
as a gangman.
Sure.
Because in my sounds and my
Sure.
haven't really given about our sound. It's now it's just a
Sure.
just us showing people that we're versatile, man.
Sure.
Yeah, it's fun.
So kuno music enisithembisa wona ozodropa nje kaningi so and so and so
Dog, I think 2 tapes already planned doing, yeah.
yo khulunywa ngebody of work la khulunywa ngamasingles ka
yeah we working sabo mase siyakhupha studio
Sure.
asidlali bese soyiqodele yaconsa sivaleke isibalo so
manje
baseva abantu
manje i64 bars izobooster kuphi izobooster kuphi amanika mawubuka le platform izosiza kuphi vela amathepha asekhuphiwe ase-ready ukuphuma how is this gonna boost
Hayi lapho uthenza sokungani.
yeah
Ukurepha kanye.
Sure.
Kanye. Hayi competition abantu abala
Sure.
abayenza ibona abazothi mabe sesiphuma ngala basekusebenza futhi
Sure.
ithi numbers zethu.
sure
Yona nje kuphela lesoyenza. Sesizule so
and uyazi bese internet is forever so we read le into this episode ya Cannibal
so umuntu orespecta nina njengabantu abafethu abantu umuntu orespecta nina njengabantu abayekade bayenza lento abayenzisisayo kodwa yena akwazanga ukuthi aphumelele namhlanje ngoba nasho bebukela phansi platform yala ni ithini message yenu njengabantu abazile labayibona ibalekile impahla le
this is proper shit
and sibancane la
Yeah.
yabo ngibona uCannibal iphela
And in the past, when it comes to the niggas that the industry as a team
Yeah.
is formed, there's 2 types of industries at team.
yeah
There's the underground industry and there's the commercial industry.
yeah
The commercial industry, the band are complaining about hip hop and hip hop.
Yeah.
They are stuck in a different type of hip hop.
sure
I'm not saying sound, but mindset.
Sure.
Either way, about the connector now, about the kuluma now.
sure
How do you address when a brand that can figure eventually
Sure.
to be able to show them?
sure
The key word has to be believe in yourself.
sure okay
Believe in what you're doing.
Now they want to
Believe in yourself.
break the
That's what
mindset
you
to
need
get
to
to help up your roots. There's this type of sound, type of stuff that says.
sure sure
people
sure
abantu bese
Sure.
abantu so sesimele lesebantwini
Yeah.
people kumele beyibone kanje
shuthi lokho kusafakazela kona ukuthi kumele uye nabona abantu ungathathi ukuthi kumele beze kuwena yabo
Put yourself out
get
there.
around
ngiyayithola i-answer wamanika ehlonishwa kodela entweni ekuthathwa ngokuthi platform ama-upcoming amanika wayibuki ngale nto yokuthi hayi thina we already recognized le nto yabantu abasafuna ukwenza igama like ngiyayithanda
And yeah, friends,
The
we
grind
got
doesn't stop.
sure
also, you can't buy about
sure
hooking up what we call a national battle,
sure okay
which is another thing that I wanted to focus on. this
Sure,
year.
okay.
Man, we've done Durban.
yeah
Tired of Durban. Why am I just not my event? Collaborate with people that are doing shit.
sure okay
People with resources in the party, people who are willing to go the extra mile. I said,
Yeah.
keep him out the pockets and done. Engage the same unit, dog.
Yeah.
Shine his part, show his part. So yeah, that's why we
so salusukhuluma ngale le event ezayo
Come me with dog. It's in July 7. Main event. It's the owner of urban rebel culture, man.
Yeah.
I say Free State, Bloemfontein, Carnival is the main event.
What? I didn't even know who's in the main card. That's crazy.
Yeah, because Villanelle is the biggest artist in Bloemfontein. So
Sure.
when it comes to numbers, now you're the biggest artist.
Sure.
In Ghana. Make that the main card.
Sure.
Then Glandele me, now Bullet Man versus
Sure.
YSO, no West.
Sure.
Then Shogote, no Shames.
Sure.
Then no Black Diesel.
Sure.
Then Crackpot, Maurice.
Sure.
If you come here, but the card is my main event. Imagine Kenny Bad, Crossbook, Bullet Man, Crackpot, Shogote. This already
It's gonna
top
be a
7.
5 and it's gonna
Top
be a 5.
7. And this will be say Glenwood if in town. We already got a place booked. This will be shoot our kid if it's
Sure.
one of the people that shoot our music videos. So
Sure.
like, nah, man, if you're not on
Sure.
on the proper equipment,
the
any
Diwali.
Sure.
who's gonna be able to control the lighting,
Woo!
everything. And I'm a tickets are limited to 30 people only.
Woo!
It is a private event.
How much each?
It's $100 a ticket fair too at the door. So we're just looking for 3K and I call it 3K with the people that we brought here.
Sure.
Great. It's okay. We're welcoming the first
So
national.
bafethu siyancenga isupporteni le Shandisi first because it's not like it's funa i-profits ephaketheni, like we wanna cover my expenses.
Thina sifuna ama-sponsors.
Sure.
Yabo masishaya. Sileke siyibosela ama-sponsors. Sibosela bona Red Bull.
Sure.
Sibosela ba. As long as wonke umuntu comes prepared,
Sure.
clean, ezenze fresh.
Sure.
Show them ukuthi it's better rap now. It can be something.
Sure, okay.
A trap or a
Can be. My nigga, it started with battle
So-
rap, bro.
So yeah, man.
Battle rap is the foundation.
Even Buster says I don't discriminate. I've already
And we're
close
gonna be
peers.
bringing a few
Yeah.
DJs and like 5 performers.
I
Sure.
witnessed Cannibal
And
body
there
my
was a
close
fan
peer.
of Let's say you got close.
Sure.
It's in my hand.
Sure.
A little drifting.
Sure.
For laba balenga.
So how can we follow Prosper for more details, like, and for ukuthi sisondele ekutheni kwi-event isiphumelele?
Search Gangland 707.
Sure.
Uthola yonke into futhi okumele.
Sawusigawa wonke ama-handles for i-album ye-Gangland ezophuma, everything.
I want to follow Gangland because
Sure.
I want them to be focused on one thing for
Yeah.
now.
From the
And you'll
beginning,
get the pagats, whatever's
salute.
inside Gangland. You're
Is
gonna
al-
get
is al-
my
is al-
handles,
keep
you're gonna get his handles, you're gonna get his handles, Manyama outside.
The team come first.
Just for future interviews, sicela ukusala sesazi ukuthi i-Gangland yakhiwa ubani.
OG standing in the back. Bless him.
Lu ready.
Yeah.
Mukobo.
And we got Prosper.
Yeah,
We got Gina Pierce.
sure.
We got Marco Fritz.
Sure.
We got like Gina Pierce. Yeah, it's about 3 guys. I think Gangland.
Sure.
It's professional. Then it's Lured and Marco. And it's one of
Oh, like
the
Daddy
niggas we go
Dancing.
with. Gina
Yeah.
Pierce now
Sure.
representing. My daddy, like.
Sure.
You
This
sure?
side, Durban, and also to expand up.
Sure. Who's the producer? What gang?
It's Marco, man.
Merko.
Holy Marco.
Merko is the artist and the producer. That's dope. You see?
It's a producer. We can
I was about to say the same thing, bro.
Ngicabanga ukuthi for ama-interviews abantu sebezokwazi ukuthola ulwazi oluningi nokuthi babe nama-questions sebezokwazi ukuthi yiphi ibhithi yashawo Prosper, yiphi ingoma ya-record, yiphi yamixwe ubani. So
Ekugcineni uGangland.
Yeah, but the thing is with Gangland is,
Yeah.
is Gangland is more than just a crew.
Yeah.
I'm a gang.
Sure,
That's where
sure.
it actually came from. Ukuthi abantu babethi masihamba sihamba masiphumile endlini abazali bethu but le gang yakhe ifinile.
Oh
It's
shit.
there. It's a group of friends.
Oh,
Nothing to
yeah.
do with
Blood that ain't family.
gangsterism or what.
Sure. Shuthi ngaphansi kwe-Gangland ngaba khona ama-rap crews and then ama-solo artists, ama-producers under
You know,
the
we're
same
just,
gang.
we're just the CEOs of the company.
Oh yeah.
But we have like female vocalists that we
It's a movement, it's a company, it's a
Yonke into zonke ba.
ngigcwele king. Ngiyayithanda leyo energy leyo, ngiyayithanda kakhulu. So until next time si-expect i-album ye-Gangland bafethu.
With features of Baby B on there too, huh?
niggas nje mfethu anganoma ngizothi a few weeks because angifuni ukuthi inyanga just say that.
Sure. I-Gangland iyakholelwa kakhulu ekusebenzeni ngama-feature mhlawumbe ukuthi sizihluphe ngokuthi i-album inoba. Oh, i-Gangland ine-style sayo ngale ndlela ukuthi it doesn't matter ukuthi ngifeature chebani.
Now asifeaturishanga umuntu.
That's dope. That's dope.
Junior Percy Taylor,
Yeah. And I wouldn't even think I'll let them feature.
But it's part of them.
Get the fam straight first
Sure.
and then.
But so outsource in the sense that we were growing each other.
Sure.
but we do have features on the album.
Sure. Or they nama mixtape nama. Oh, that's
Like-
crazy.
Or they're not equipped for the album or
The 2 tapes are gonna drop. One
it's
tape,
just a fam thing.
the second tape is strictly features.
Sure.
Just
Sure.
one.
Sure, okay.
Every song is a feature on the second tape.
So kusasa sila ndawonye futhi. I'm expecting ukunibona abafethu ngizobe ngikhona. Salute, kid. Salute.
The first people that I'd say that we live for hip hop, my nigga.
Red Bull shout out.
Gangland 707.
Red Bull.
Red Bull ain't fly like Gangland, bro.
Scientists. Salute.
You can see they about that life.